Do you know that you have the power to push your videos to get more views on your channel, making your channel to grow faster? There are three important settings you can actually turn on or begin to apply to your videos on your channel. And you see, YouTube will start recommending and suggesting your videos to more viewers out there. And in general, your channel will grow faster than the usual speed. As new YouTubers who come into the platform, they don't really know about these settings. Some already knows, but they don't apply these settings to their videos and to their channel in general. So as you're watching this video right now, please learn how to apply these things, because it's going to be a step-by-step guide video. I'll be sharing my screen with you, showing you how to do them exactly and explaining what it means and how it works as we go, so that you understand better and see the importance of these things so you can start applying them to your channel. Okay, so by fixing these three new things to your existing and new videos on the platform, you see that even those old videos that don't have views already will get more views. YouTube will push them out to more viewers, and you see your channel will grow in a very short period of time. All right, so my name is Lawrence and welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so to subscribe, and if you like this video, please hit that like button and share with your friends who are also new to YouTube and you want them to grow. So the first important setting is the playlist. There's something I didn't mention. So once you create your playlist and you've added videos to them, right, copy that playlist link and put it in the description of your videos. Very important. All right, so to create, head on to your YouTube Studio dashboard. That is the website of YouTube. Okay, so I showed you how to do that in the previous video, how to upload properly. What you do is you get your Chrome browser or any browser, turn on the desktop version or request desktop site. Then you go to studio.youtube.com and you're on this page when you're logged into your YouTube channel on that browser. Okay, so you click on create at the top here, then click on create new playlist. Okay, so you type a title for your playlist. Right now I want to create YouTube, or let me just say how to grow on YouTube. Your YouTube channel is another one. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I want to add my description. There's something I already typed, so I would like to just paste it here. So what you see here are just like keywords. You can write a good description. It's because of this video, I want it to be very short. That's why I'm writing something like this. And like I said, they don't penalize you for using keywords here. So please use your hashtags, and at every single opportunity, just use your hashtags everywhere. So I'll create this. So once I'm done creating the playlist, what I'll do next is from my side menu, I'll go to content. Then the list of my videos will appear. I want to add the first video to the playlist, so I'll click on it as if I want to edit it. Scroll downwards where it says playlist. Then I'll click on the playlist list, and you see all the playlists you have on your channel. The list will appear here, so I'll just select. And the joy of this is you can add one video to multiple playlists. Okay, so you can add to 2 to 3 playlists depending on the number of playlists you've created on your channel. Then I'll click on done, and always remember to save your changes. Then I'll click on save change and it will go. So I'll still go back to my channel content and click on playlist. Okay, you see your playlist is created here, and you can see your video is already there, showing that you have one video on this playlist. So I want to get the shareable link and also go back to my content. So what I did just now was that I clicked on the playlist and this menu icon showed up. I click on the 3 dots down here and copied the shareable link. Once I get the shareable link from the playlist, I'll go back to my videos up here. Then I'll click on this video as if I want to edit it again. Once it opens, I'll scroll down on the description aspect, right? So I'll paste the shareable link here. I'll have to edit this later. Remember, I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. So once I paste it there, I would come and save changes. I'll modify all this later to make it look presentable to my viewers. So I'll save changes and we are good to go. So you might think that playlist is not so important because you don't know the advantage of playlist to your channel and your video. Well, when you are creating a playlist, pay attention to the title, the description. Well, they don't stop you from adding your keywords and tags to your description anywhere on YouTube. So if you add those, it will make the playlist also rank high, and it will promote your channel using the YouTube algorithm, right? Now, when you create this playlist, all these three settings I'm going to talk to you about, they work hand in hand. That's why you need to start using all of them on your channel and your videos, okay? So they work such that they bring these viewers to your channel. Now, when these viewers come to your channel, they don't only watch one video, because you have used the playlist to organize your video list. Now, when the viewer watch video A, your playlist will show or suggest video B to the viewer. And if this person is interested in watching video B, you see that you watch video B and subsequently watch video C and D, which makes this viewer stay much longer on your channel. What does YouTube want? YouTube want a channel that keep more viewers on their platform. So if your channel is keeping more viewers on their platform, then they say that, okay, this channel is doing the right thing. Let's push out the videos of this channel to more viewers so that this channel will grow. Encourage this creator to keep creating, give him more advantage so that he'll keep creating to bring more viewers to YouTube and retain them. That is how these three settings work, and your videos, your channel will start growing with more views and more achievement in a very short period of time. I hope by now you've understood how to set up your playlist. Now, the second setting is the cards. Now, video cards are very important because it has the opportunity of linking viewers to interesting and related videos to the current videos we are shooting. So if I'm talking about YouTube growth and more views to videos now, I can say, watch this video up here, and I'll link it using the cards function. So let's see how to use the card function. This is how to set up cards, video cards in your video to link people to different areas on your channel or even outside your channel. So from your channel's dashboard on YouTube Studio, what you do is to click on content section, and it opens the list of your content. So you click, I'll be using the first video here on the list to add cards. So I'll click on it and click as if I want to edit it. Then once the page opens, then I can scroll to the right hand side, where you see end screen and cards. So this time we're talking about cards. So I'll be clicking on cards here. Now, when the card section open, you see that you have the ability to add video cards. You have the ability to add playlist, channel, and even link. But this channel is still new. I need to get through some milestones to be able to apply links. All right. So to apply a video card here, what you do is to click on this plus sign here. Then you go through the list of videos you have on your channel. This channel is still very new and will have only 2 videos currently. So I'll click on this introduction video and add to it. Then another thing you can do, another great thing you can do is, let's say that video I just added now was talking about how to create cards, like an elaborate video on how to create cards. Then what I'll do is I'll search through my videos timeline, this current video I'm adding the card to. I'll go through the timeline where I said I'll be sharing to you guys how to add or create video cards on YouTube. Okay, so I'll track that time here with this slider to make sure that my video card actually lands on that time, so that when I'm pointing up towards the link direction, the video link or the card will pop up on the video when you're watching it. So that's the magic cards add to your video. So I'll go back up now and show you the other methods to add other things. So remember to always save your changes when you do that. Okay, then if you want to add custom messages, you can add that, but it's not a compulsory thing here. So I'll add another card. This time I'll use the playlist. Okay, so we've added video, now it's playlist. Remember, we just created one playlist on this channel. Okay, so that's the only available playlist. If you have other playlists on your channel, you can go through it and select the one that you're talking about, or the one that is most related to the video. Okay, so I'll select this playlist here, just like we did just now. Remember, the first time there was for the video card. So now I can adjust this playlist to about 4 minutes here. Okay, so once I'm okay with that setting, I'll go back up and I can still add another card. Okay, so this time I can add a channel. Okay, I'm not saying you should add everything to one video. I'm just giving you an example of how to add these things. Okay, so you search on the channel name here, So I'm going to be adding my own channel. I don't want to add someone else's channel to this video. So once the setting is, the search results is out, you can now scroll through to identify your channel. This is mine right here. So this is where the video custom message and description is required. So what I'll do here is to add a description, a very short one. So I'll say YouTube growth hacks. Then I'll just copy the same thing. Then I'll put it down below where it says teaser message. Okay, you can put any message at all you want. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible. So once I'm done with that, I'll click out of the screen. Then I'll still adjust the timing down below. So this is the current one, so I can pull it anywhere I want. So let me say I want to put it between 4 and 5 minutes or 6 minutes here. Then once that's done, I can go and save. Remember to always save your changes. I can't stress this enough. I can save and all the settings will be applied to my video. I'm sure by now you're a pro using the card function or linking on YouTube. Alright, so the next and the final settings for this video is the end cards. Alright, so end cards usually appear at the end of each video. What they do is they link video or playlist or subscribe button so that when viewers actually get to the end of each video, they can watch a new video out there, or they can click on a playlist to continue to watch or grade on other videos that are interesting or important to them, and this keeps them longer on your channel, which is what we have been fighting for. Okay, so let's head on to the YouTube studio and see how to set up the end cards. Now, to add end cards to your video, what you do from your dashboard is to click on this content, and I'll still be using the first video as an example for us to learn. So you click on it as if you want to edit it and scroll down to your right side until you see end screen. So you click on end screen and this page will display to you. So I currently have an end screen on this video, but I would like to remove it first. Then I'll add a new one so that I'll show you better how to do it. Okay, so there are different elements here you can add. All right, so you can import from an existing video. Let's say you have a good setup from an existing video and you just don't want to stress yourself again. You can import from that one, or you can actually select and do it yourself. So I usually like to do a subscriber and a playlist, or a subscriber and a video. So what you're trying to do is to get people to watch either more video and subscribe to you, or watch more playlist videos and subscribe to you. So that's why I use any of those. So right now, since I have a playlist on this channel, what I'm going to do is to select this one that says subscriber and a playlist. So you can actually adjust the position on your video at the end. So what I'm going to do now is to click on the playlist and then select a playlist from my list of playlists, and this is the only existing one, so I'll select it and you see it has appeared on the screen. All right, so you can also adjust the timeline here where you want the end screen to show. Let's say you are still giving tutorial on your screen and you don't want it to obstruct the view of your viewers. What you can do is to adjust the sliders here down below so that it starts at a point where it doesn't obstruct their views. So once you adjust it that way to your taste, what you can do next is to go up and check them. Okay, so once you're comfortable with the setups, you just click on save. So I'm going to undo that because I don't have anywhere it's obstructing any view. Okay, so I'm okay with the previous default settings, and I'll click on save. Remember to always click on save, because if you don't click on save, none of those things you've done will actually be applied. So once that's done, I think we're good. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. I'm sure by now you're a guru fixing these 3 things on your channel. All right, so don't just stop here. Go on out there to your channel, begin to apply these things to every single video you have on your channel. So once you apply them, I assure you start getting positive results. Okay, so we'll grow more on this channel. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, especially those who are trying to grow on their YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. All right, take care of yourself and see you in the next one.